Nietzsche's literary work, On Truth and Lies in a Non-Moral Sense, expounds on the complexities of language, truth, and morality. Nietzsche contends that language is essentially metaphorical, and any effort to express objective truth is inherently flawed. Although language and metaphors can provide a more in-depth comprehension of our environment, they can never fully touch on the concept of absolute truth. Nietzsche argues that truth is a human invention that originates from our restricted sensory experience and subjective interpretations. He perceives truth as a moving group of metaphors, metonymies, and anthropomorphisms. Furthermore, morality lacks a foundation in objective truth, but it is rather a byproduct of human psychology and social conditioning. Therefore, any moral system is merely a specific kind of interpretation and valuation. Nietzsche proposes that we have the capability to form our own truth, unrestricted by the confines of external reality. He also asserts that while moral values may prove advantageous in some situations, they remain subjective and capricious. Despite Nietzsche's theory raising questions about the link between language and truth and the possibility of objective truth, he places importance on personal viewpoints and the creation of individual significance. Nietzsche's rejection of objective truth and morality generates inquiries about establishing a meaningful ethical system. He believes that moral phenomena do not exist, only a moral interpretation of phenomena. Therefore, we must explore the subject of nourishment, which is essential to the preservation of humanity. To sum up, Nietzsche's On Truth and Lies in a Non-Moral Sense provides an intriguing viewpoint on language, truth, and morality. Although it rejects the concept of objective truth and morality, it acknowledges the significance of personal viewpoints and the creation of individual meaning.